major warning has emerged from the United Nations, highlighting the potential economic fallout of the ongoing conflict in West Asia. According to a report by the United Nations Development Programme titled Military Escalation in the Middle East, Human Development Impacts Across Asia and the Pacific, the ongoing conflict could push nearly 25 lakh people in India into poverty. The report noted that poverty levels in India could rise from around 4 lakh to 25 lakh people due to the conflict. Globally, the number of people pushed into poverty as a result of the conflict could increase from approximately 19 lakh to nearly 88 lakh, with South Asia accounting for the largest share. The report added that the Asia-Pacific region could face economic losses of up to $299 billion. The United Nations Development Programme warned that rising fuel prices, shipment costs, and input expenses are reducing household purchasing power, increasing food insecurity, straining public budgets, and weakening livelihoods across affected regions. Meanwhile, China is expected to witness a comparatively moderate rise in poverty levels, with estimates increasing from 1.15 lakh to over 6.2 lakh people, reflecting small proportional changes applied to a large population base. The report also warned that India's Human Development Index could decline by the equivalent of 1.5 years of human development progress. It further noted that any prolonged disruption could coincide with preparations for the Kharif cropping season, which begins in June. Urea stocks currently stand at 61.1 lakh tons, providing a near-term buffer but not fully insulating the sector if disruptions persist. Amid these developments, India also witnessed a threefold increase in crude oil purchases from Russia in March, reaching 5.3 billion euros, highlighting rising energy concerns. Meanwhile, diplomatic engagement gained importance as Narendra Modi held a 40-minute phone call with Donald Trump. The two leaders reviewed progress in bilateral ties and discussed the ongoing West Asia crisis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that both leaders emphasized the importance of keeping the Strait of Hormuz open and secure. Given its crucial role in global energy supply, Modi later referred to Trump as his friend in a post on X. US envoy Sergio Gore indicated that both countries may soon finalize major deals, particularly in the energy sector. The call concluded with President Donald Trump telling Prime Minister Narendra Modi, "I just want you to know we all love you," according to the envoy.